In this video, I'll show you how to use your own wireless earbuds, how to control your music, and how to take calls. So let's get started right away. Okay, let's start on how to control your music or your movies. So if you want to play, simply double tap the side of your earbuds, anywhere here, a strong double tap. This will start playing your music or movie. If you want to pause, double tap the same way. And this works with the left side and also on the right side. If you want to listen to the previous song, simply press on the left side your earbuds during 1.5 seconds. Keep it pressed. Like this. So this was on the left earbud. If you want to go on the next song, do the same thing but on the right side earbud. So keep press during 1.5 seconds and release on the right side if you want to get on the next song. If you want to use Siri or your voice assistant, you'll need to press 3 times the earbud. 1, 2, 3. And this will launch the assistant. It's very important to note that you need to do these press very fast, not slow, not like this for a double tap. You need to be quick. 1, 2. Now let me show you how to take calls and how to reject them. So let's say somebody is calling you. You can do this on the right side or on the left side. It does not matter. You simply need to answer the call, double press the earbud. Once you're done and you want to end the call, double press the earbuds the same way. And this will end the call. If somebody is calling you and you want to reject this incoming call, either on the left side or the right side, you're going to keep press the earbud during 1.5 seconds and release. This will reject the call. Unfortunately, on many wireless earbuds, you cannot control the volume on the earbuds themselves. There's no controls for this. Some models may have this, but these basic ones unfortunately don't come with that. It means that the volume is controlled either from your computer or phone with the volume buttons. So this is it. This is how you control your own wireless earbuds. If this was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.